Hi, so Jason.
This hot as Satan's toenails. Oh, hello YouTube. I got my eyebrows plucked today. Look at that.
My
There.
one fine poly girl.
Woo, woo.
They're on fleek.
Shout out to Rhina for doing my eyebrows. She did them for free. Free 99, yo. Free 99. Now I look like a sexy Mexican.
Oh my gosh. Dollar Tree.
Alright. Oh.
That one's broken.
Oh.
Okay. What was that? Yeah, I got it. Oh my.
You are amazing. You're beautiful. You're crunchy. You're juicy. You're shit.
Jason found himself a little shopping cart.
No.
A very little shopping cart.
Beautiful.
Wait, can you go for it? This shopping cart is so tiny. Oh my gosh, did I fit in it? Oh.
Just barely.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, don't do that. Okay, ready?
It is.
Corn dog.
Exactly.
Stop.
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 I have another shoe.
So it's like 12:45 a.m. and we are at Denny's. Jason, say hi.
Hello.
Guys, have you realized how much we eat out?
You guys think you eat out a lot? I haven't had a meal at my house for 2 months.
There you go.